Okay, folks, welcome back. This is the March 16th daily log entry for the ICT Mentorship. Dollar, euro, and cable, 15-minute time frame. All right, the dollar index here. Before I get into it, there's been a few folks that reached out. They were a little bit confused. This timing for the kill zones, you want to set your chart to, at the moment of this recording, March 16th, 2021, set it to Chicago, which is -5 on TradingView. If you set it to -5, it'll be like prior to daylight savings time being utilized like it is being now. Set your kill zones as I outlined, then set your time to normal daylight savings time, like the actual time in New York, which is what's being shown here. These kill zones will not change. We don't ever change the time, ever. Now, once it's calibrated like that, I don't move them around, I don't shorten them, I don't extend them. This makes use of the confusion of daylight savings time. At least it does for me. Everything is set based on pre-daylight savings time. And the way you check it is go to -5, which will show up as Chicago time on TradingView. Set your times as I gave you. Then once they're set, toggle your time to New York local time, which right now is -4 on TradingView. And you'll see everything that's being shown here, okay? All right, so we had buy side liquidity previous days, swing high in here. Market rallies up initially in London Open, taps that buy side liquidity, runs to the sell side here, and then rejects in New York. Comes off an order block here, small little fair value gap order block, optimal trade entry right in here, and it runs for a deeper run above buy side liquidity, making the high of the day at the London close kill zone. Market trades back down and creates a small little sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. So it trades back up into the fair value gap, consequent encroachment, displacement, small little fair value gap, back into the fair value gap here, complete closure just about there. Moving on into euro dollar. Here's the 15-minute time frame for euro. Swing low here, sell side liquidity. Yesterday had a really tight daily range. It didn't have a whole lot of volatility, and that usually sets up a nice little trending day. Drops in London Open, creates more sell side liquidity here when they rally it up. New York session market reversal. Trades back in for an immediate rebalance. If you don't know what that is, search the forum. I do cover it in the commentaries. Bearish order block here, trades up into that. You can scroll back over here and you'll see what that is. Trades lower. Almost gave an institutional order flow entry drill there. I was looking for it there. I was going to actually take that today as a trade, but I elected to use the Aussie dollar for my 10 pip example. But I was looking for this one here to offer a run below this low here, and that would have been my 10 pips. Market trades below the low here. Small little sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency, comes back up into the gap, consequent encroachment, and then displacement, finding the low of the day at London close kill zone. All right, here is the British pound versus the US dollar, 15-minute time frame. Previous day's sell side liquidity pool and buy side liquidity pool. Heavy rate from the jump street on midnight in cable. Just trades off of an optimal trade entry here inside London Open. Sells off, creates a short-term low here, comes back up in and runs the sell side liquidity, creates the low in London Open. And you want to study the euro pound, okay? And you want to enter in symbol EURGBP, pull it up under Forex.com's data feed from TradingView. So choose that one when you look for it and study that one. Okay, and you'll see why this pair has gone up and the euro went down. It was to cause euro pound to decline. So the market rallies. Notice there's no real retracements in here at all. Small little immediate rebalance there. Redistribution rebalance in here. So remove this candle here. And it runs up again. Trades back down into the order block. Rallies up into the buy side liquidity. Really tricky one here on cable today, but it was all based on running that euro pound cross. And that's going to be it today. I will talk to you tomorrow for a midweek review and lesson. Until then, be safe.